Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to fix the issue where your photos show generic blue icons or white rectangles instead of actual thumbnail previews in Windows 11. First, open File Explorer and click the three dots at the end of the top menu bar, then select Options. Go to the View tab and look for the very first checkbox. Always show icons, never thumbnails. If this is checked, Windows is intentionally hiding your previews to save resources. Uncheck it and click Apply. If your thumbnails still haven't appeared, we need to check the Visual Effects master switch. Click the Start button, type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and press Enter. In the list of effects, ensure Show Thumbnails instead of icons is checked. If it's off, your photos will never show a preview, regardless of your folder settings. Click OK to save. If you've done all this and the icons are still broken or showing the wrong image, you must clear the cache. Press Windows plus R, type Clean MGR, and hit Enter. Select your C drive, uncheck everything except thumbnails, and click OK. This wipes the corrupted database and forces Windows to rebuild every single photo preview from scratch the next time you open the folder. And that's it. Your photo collection should be looking visual and organized again. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.